Hello everyone! Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Future, Tools of Destruction. So last time... Oh wait, what?
She may have run into trouble.
Relax, she's fine. She's got those two warbots protecting her. Let's go see what Quark wants, and we'll meet up with her later.
I don't know. That was weird. I don't know, Ratchet. It seems like she might need our help. I definitely wouldn't want to ditch her. After all, when has Quark ever really mattered? Any dramatic thing we've done, he just swipes in and steals our credit. Or he swoops in and swipes our credit, I should say. And I'm not exactly a fan of that, you know? Stealing credit for someone else's hard work is kind of a dick move. Still haven't really upgraded these things. I don't think these things really give me experience as much as they do souls. That's kind of a bummer. Or maybe they do and I'm just not noticing it. I don't know. Wow, I guess I really couldn't handle the intensity of the, Raptor Seeker. Raptor Launcher, I should say. That was the wrong button. Oh god. Yeah, there's one right here. Boink. And then come all the little annoying little insect turd fucks. Any moment now. Okay, so that's where we've been. So what's around here? Yeah, I get it. You guys are everywhere. Not a really big fan of you. Come on, you want to fight me? There's tons of me to fight. Don't be a wuss. What's this do? I don't fully understand what that's for. Actually, I think I might. Okay, so it turned back to red. I just gotta figure out where I'm going. It's a friendly, tame beast. He has no problem with me climbing his back. I think those other two buttons are in the, are past the door? But I just can't find them. This has got to take me somewhere. Well, this was utterly pointless. Maybe it was to help me get up here. Hollow plans.
Hey, amigo. A little birdie told me you found a few more of them hollow plan pieces. Nice going. Don't you forget to come see me when you got them all. Here.
I won't forget. Believe me, I want that weapon as much as you want the blueprints. I'm not fully understanding what exactly this button is here for. I don't exactly get it. Usually buttons like that mean there's always something nearby. But I fail to find anything nearby. So it's just one big confusing mystery. I think the real question is, where do I go? Oh. Hey, wait. I bet he has something. But, I can't exactly get up there. So I'll just leave it be. Oh. Oh, this is not gonna end well. Ow! Come at me then. You want to think twice again before messing with me? I knew there was something waiting up here. Okay. I think that door leads to that tunnel over there. Where I really need to go is outward. I see something over there, but I think that might be the, hang on, I'm gonna try to find my way out of here. That's not the button I meant to push. Okay. If I can just soar out of here, I can go over this way. Haha! That's a golden bolt. My choices have rewarded me as usual. Yay! Ta-da! Don't mess with Lombaxes. You'll pay for it. Lombaxes know what they're doing. Clearly, if you're messing with one, you do not. Okay, so I think the darker blue parts are unexplored, and the like kind of darker green are probably just lower level or something. I don't know, but the darker blue are the unexplored parts of a map. That much I've gathered. Aha! Nope. Yeah, I can't hit him from here. I gotta fly closer. It's a good thing that it only takes 2 shots of an Alpha Disruptor to take out that thing. Did I manage to hit it before? Okay, I think I did because I couldn't kill that one in one hit. Ow! I don't think he likes me. And dead. Holy crap, that's... I have so much fucking raritanium, oh my god. Your boy is rich. Oh. I don't know how I haven't fallen in yet. Well, yeah, I probably have, but... Not of my own volition. I think I gain experience the instant I kill these enemies before they blow up. Which is nice. Yay! Oh, you guys want to mess with me now, huh? Go on, continue to make me rich.
Ratchet, we should go back to the Fight Festival. Captain Quark may have vital information about the Dimensionator.
Was there something I missed that led you to come to that conclusion? Because I don't really trust Quark. I mean, sure, he's given us some useful information before, but I don't trust him. Ooh! I don't know how I didn't... I don't know how I landed that. That was lucky. Very lucky. What was that? Something suddenly just violently shook the earth. Is there any... There's not any nearby gun shops. Oh, that's not good. Any nearby ammo crates? Anything? Well, there's you guys. Great! Perfect! Not much, but it's something. Yeah, I pretty much explored all this island here. Let's fly. Right over here. Actually, is there... No, actually, I need to go over here. Because I need to get some more ammo.
All right, Chief.
Well, that was
What
beautiful.
can we do you for?
Okay. First off...
Bada bing, bada boom. Upgraded. Upgraded. Done and done. Bada bing, bada boom.
Boom. I just realized I said that right as he said boom. Beautiful. Alright, now that that's done, let's go ahead and fly back over to that island. So I'm now mostly caught up on Raritanium. Oh, I mean, Raritanium upgrades. The only problem is the Alpha Disruptor. But because it's an insanely powerful weapon, it makes sense it would be the most expensive to upgrade. But you know what? I'd say it would be worth it. Very well worth it. I've got bigger fish to fry around here. Look at me go. I think there's only one more soul to take out. And then we can take them all back to the smuggler. Yep. Alright, let's go this way. Ooh, treasure. Don't mind if I take all that good old Raritanium. Whoop. Looks like a job for the Alpha Disruptor. Skill point acquired. Extinction. I think that's because I took out all the prehistoric Leviathans. Nice. Tons of ammo for the win. Tons of bolts too. See, like I said, it pays to have dedication to things. Whether it be looking for treasure or searching out all the extinct, well now extinct, Leviathans, prehistoric Leviathans, it's all worth it. And any little Venipede turds that want to deal with me, they can face my Buzzblades. Because, you know, I'm just not putting up with their, peskiness. Yeah, you guys all heard me. I will gladly wipe each and every one of you out. Nothing's stopping me from doing it. Bit by bit, I'm slowly working towards upgrades. That's pretty much everything here. So now let's head on back to the mainland. Let's give the smuggler these very well-deserved Leviathan souls. Okay, where the heck do I... This way? Off I go. That wasn't nearly as bad and dragged out as I thought it was going to be. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Next to the Cragmites, the Kerchu are the most unpleasant race in the history of the galaxy. They're great at building things, but they'll kill any outsider who wanders onto their turf. Well, except for yours truly, of course. Planet Jacindu in the Praxis sector. I wouldn't go there if I were you, though. There is no being in the universe who ain't fiercely allergic to the Kerchu. You don't want to end up like that Apogee fella. Well, the last I saw of him, he was burning gel toward Kerchu City. I followed him, thinking I could unload some primer cables, but he just up and vanished. That's all for now, friend. But here's a little something extra for your troubles.
I like you.
Well, I'll be. These souls are rare. See if you can find some more. I'll pay you extra. Sorry, son.
Bolts in the bank, huh? I love it. Planet Jacindu. That's the level that the game failed to load when I got past the black hole level.
Anyone asks, we never met.
14... You know what? I'm just gonna... This time I actually am gonna save up on my Raritanium, because I have no other weapon to spend it on. Well, except these, but I need to upgrade my other weapons first. Buzzblades, Plasma Beast, Shard Reaper. But that's gonna be next time, folks. So, until next time, everyone, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction, we're gonna see what lies beyond. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.